Hey guys, how's it going? Happy Sunday. So today I am working on a '03 GMC Sierra that I picked up. I'm servicing it right now. I got to replace the transfer case output seal. I want to show you something here. So here it is. I already took the drive shaft out, so the seal's leaking pretty good. What I wanted to show you was on the transfer case itself. Whenever you're servicing a transfer case, a differential, anything like that, anything that has fluid in it, what you want to do is make sure that the fill plug comes out first. So here it is. I'll explain why. So there it is. All right, fill plug is out. Now, my reason for that, and I've had it happen, is where I've drained the fluid out without taking the fill plug out, and guess what? The fill plug was seized. Could not get it out. Now, imagine what you got to do to get fluid back in it. Was a situation where I wound up having to take the transfer case out. Could not get it out. Had to take the transfer case out. And we wound up drilling the plug out. It was an aluminum plug and an aluminum case. So we wound up drilling it out, retapping it, and putting a different plug in it. Didn't want to do that with the transfer case in a car because we wound up, even though you try not to, you wound up getting metal in it and everything else. And at that point, I sold an overhaul. So anyway, that's the reason for that. Because, you know, it's like stuff like that happens when it's the least opportune time. Okay, so next thing I want to show you is if you ever want to check the fluid and you're figuring how do you actually get your hand in there to actually check it. Because now here, you know, I got these fat fingers. Usually you could stick your finger in there, but guess what? My finger don't fit. So, you all know what this is. What I do is I take the end of this and I bend it like so. Stick it in the hole, level it out. So now we're level there, and it's stuck down. And you can see, guess what? There is no fluid on there. It is dry. So, I mean, I was already changing the seal. I knew I was going to have to put fluid in it. But now I know definitely I got to put fluid in it. So, just a little quick thing to show you. It's pretty simple, pretty easy. So, that's about it. This is actually a pretty decent truck I picked up. Just going to turn around and flip it. After I fix that, I got to clean it up, put the drive shaft back in. I got to fix the exhaust. Somebody put this hokey ass, you know, Flowmaster exhaust system on it. You know, of course they made it fit really nice. I'm going to get rid of that. I don't know what I'm going to put in its place, but I'm just going to do something to make an exhaust system on it. And that's about it. Everything on this vehicle is actually pretty decent. You know, need a little care. That's about it. So anyway, that's it for today. Hope you guys are having a great Sunday. Enjoy the rest of your day. Keep wrenching.